Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone is doing good today. So my video for today is going to be a Born Pretty PR. They sent me their new Jelly Nude collection, and I am so excited about testing this out because I don't have any jelly nail polishes yet in my collection. So now I do, and I'm going to share it with you. So before I get started on that, I use these awesome tips from Amazon that are only $5.99. They are square and they are pretty long. So that's what I put on, and I cut them down a bit. And as well, I use my SXC 3-in-1 glue to glue them down, and this makes it so easy using this stuff. It's nice and thick. As usual, you get your book. Tells you a couple of things about it. So this is vegan and cruelty free. I believe it's 11 toxins free and a few other things. So let's look at these colors. It comes with 6 colors, and they're all 10 milliliters each. Pretty good size. Really like these bottles. We have a coupon code for 10% off. It's Lisa Catalano. I also have an affiliate link that I will link in the description box along with this product. We're also having a back to school sale, and today is the last day for one product. Buy a solid cream gel and you get the second for only 99 cents. And through August 10th through the 14th, they have a 20% off site-wide and free shipping on the 10th if you use code SCHOOL20, and I will put this in my description box as well. They said the best way to use these is to shake them up before you use the product. So I'm going to shake all of these up. I am going to be putting all of these on my nails, so I'm just going to show you the color straight from the bottle. This is the red jelly. Very pretty. Here's the number. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like this one a lot. It's like a dusty mauve kind of color. Very pretty. There's this one. Oh, this is really nice too. Very, very pretty. Here we have the fourth one. Nice light pink color. Very pretty. That's really pretty and nice, kind of peach color. And lastly, this one, a really, really light pink. These are all really pretty, and they're all considered nudes. I'm not sure if I showed this number. So that was this one, like the peachy pink. Okay, so I'm gonna throw on a base coat, and then I'm gonna put these on my nails. So I'm gonna start off with this really pretty dusty color. applying it to my whole thumbnail. I'm just going to continue with one color on each nail. That's one coat. That's this pretty mauve color. This is this one. Here's the next color I'm using. Okay, so we have the red. Okay, so this fourth color, I'm gonna switch up because I have too many of the same colors next to each other. Just use my awesome pad dispenser from my last video. It is so sick. It is from Amazon. It is the best thing ever. Okay, now I'm going in with the red just to break up all these pinks a bit. I'm going to use that same pink that I just took off. Good. Okay, just gonna do a few touch-ups because I touched some parts of my nails before I cure. I think I'm gonna start from my pinky back. I'm gonna do 2 coats of each just to build it up a bit. Gave these a 60-second cure. Like I said, these jellies are really, really pretty, really nice, good pigment to them. You know, you could leave it with just the 1 coat or do the 2. I chose the 2 to try and cover my real nails underneath some because I hate that look when you can see them. So I don't have any Born Pretty top coat. I really got to get that. So I'm using Rosalind Diamond top coat. Okay, these are all cured up. I really, really love these jelly nudes. They are gorgeous. Gotta say, maybe this one's my favorite. I just love it. So I'm gonna take this last color that I didn't use yet. It's the really, really light pink color. clean my brush because I just had it tilted. Okay. So what I want to do with this is I'm going to just go across every nail with this gel polish, with this last color. Get it as straight as I can, something like that. And then the same on this side. Cute. Okay, I'm going to cure the first layer of this color. It's actually looking a little thick over here. I just did a flash cure and now I'm going in with my second coat on every nail, and I will be back when that is done. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my thumb color. Whoops. On my red nail, and just gonna now go this way. So now I'm gonna take this dusty one, use that on the tip of my middle finger. I'm so sorry. I was out of frame for a lot of these coats. I don't know. I just totally forgot about the camera and was just doing my thing. Sorry about that. So now on this dusty finger, I'm going to use the red. Now I'm going to use this really pink color here on my thumb. I'm going to take this color. Well, I kept one finger in frame. All I did was do like, you know, a different angled triangle tip to try to like keep it abstract and a bit different looking. So I'm sorry that none of that was in frame, but that is what I did. And unfortunately, I skipped my second coat on camera. So I'm just going to jump to the good part, which is the reveal. Okay, I applied the second coat on the tips, and I just love how this set came out. Very simple, but still a little edgy. So yeah, these jellies were amazing to work with. So easy, so smooth, beautiful colors, easy buildup. So thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending me this set of their new nude jellies. They are gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.